Introducing Woofwild, the ultimate WooCommerce theme, catering to pet owners and business alike. Woofwild offers a seamless online platform to explore and purchase top quality pet food products. Today we are going to learn quick theme installation. Let's begin with install fresh WordPress 6.6.2. All these are default setting. In the left side of the sidebar, you can see different tools like post, media, pages and many more. Here you can see the overall site. Now we're gonna learn how to upload theme. Navigate to appearance, click on the themes, click add new theme button, and in the same place click the upload theme button. Here you can choose your zip file where you already downloaded the package. Click this activation. The next one is install all recommended plugins. Select the specific plugin you want to install, click the install button, then click the apply for the further use. Scroll down and click return to required plugin installer. The next step is active all plugins. After install all the plugins, you just simply have to active the plugins. Further step is install theme demo. In the left sidebar, go to the appearance and click import demo data. So here you can see the page. Click demo import page to continue and import. While importing the demo data, it will take few seconds for importing. Once you successfully import the data, your website is shown as same as store site. Now let's see the how to add child theme. After install the theme, we recommend to use parent theme to prevent the future override. Click the upload theme, choose file. After choosing the file, just simply click the activate button. Once this process is done, you can able to see Woofwild child theme. Now next is select page as home page. Navigate setting in the sidebar to click the reading button. Once you select the static page and changes in home page, block page, what looks best for you, then click the save changes. Once all these changes are done, just check the site. After installation all the themes, now you can customize 100 plus theme according to what looks best for you. Now we're gonna move to the Elementor setting. Here you can see lots of elements like layout, basic and container. In this element you can add image, text and many more. This theme is fully compatible with all the Elementor setting. So this is how you add and install everything in a very smooth way. If you have any queries, just leave a comment and don't forget to check the description box to follow our other social media links. And if you like this video, give it thumbs up, share this with your friends and subscribe to our channel for more content. Thanks for watching.